ka pa. Grayscale, ayan. Welcome to Grayscale. Concrete finishes. Ayan. Iscan nyo yung QR code nila so you will be able to see the brochure. Ayan. Thank you. Ang ganda kasi ng finishing mo pag ganito yung yung walls mo, di ba? Perfect. Bye! Nice for interior. How about exterior?
Yeah.
You also do exterior?
Yeah.
What are this? Gallon?
It's per bag.
Oh, per bag. It's powdered. Wow.
Just add water.
Just add water. So if you like get this color, like what is this?
This color is, we call it butterscotch.
Butterscotch. Nice. This is like salmon, di ba? And then sage Tuscany. Eggshell, I love it. So, yeah, this is a new innovation in home interior and deco. Commercial as well. And this can also be applied outdoors. So if you apply this outdoors, do you think it's going to be weatherproof? Really? Oh, that's nice. So the price range.
Yeah. The price is for installation. Supply installation is 1,800 to 8,000. The supply.
Can we apply it ourselves?
Yes.
Just buy the materials. So this is per, not gallon, but this is like
Per bag.
per bag. That's the biggest bag you have. Okay, and this is how you apply it. You just add water and then you have your applicator. Well, what is
Yes.
that? Very nice. Even grandma can do it. Right? Go! So ito ang ganda. Parang na siyang marble finish. So guys, bili na kayo. Credit card, pwede. Installment. Nagbenta. Thank you. No, I'm just vlogging as kaloka, you know. Thank you for coming. Ay, meron pa dito. Ang dami.
Vlog mo na din po, ma'am.
Thank you. Eto is right. Akala ko kasi akala ko cake. May, guys, parang cake ang texture niya. Pwede siyang kainin. Joke lang. And this one, it doesn't really look natural na parang I can't explain it. Depende sa pag-apply.
Yes.
Oh! Tama, parang ito kasi, na-observe ko, parang iba yung pag-apply niya. Pero, depende sa pag-apply, doon mo makukuha yung final na, na look. Parang ito tinapak-tapakan, mga ganyan. Ito, winalisting-ting, yung mga ganon. Parang, yung kalsada sa sa probinsya. Joke lang. Eto, cave stone alabaster. Ang ganda. New innovation. Your head office is where?
Our head office is located in Potrero, Malabon. But we have
Malabon.
showroom in LRI, Makati.
This is made here in this country.
Yeah, this is locally manufactured.
Ah, local made, guys. Grayscale. Okay, so here's your
You can scan for our brochure.
okay, brochure. Ay, scan nyo na to get 100% discount. Joke lang. Sige, ang dami nilang mga brochure. I love the colors. Ito yung mga gustong-gusto na lang. Medyo boring na yung mga paint, di ba? Ayan. Thank you so much, Grayscale.